Test, test, prova, prova. Oh, sorry, there's some background noise. I'll just give me a second. Alright, it should be fixed now. Okay, let's move to the window and give me a second. I'll just oh, I forgot to change the name. We're not doing rock paper scissors. Now we are doing find pairs. I think it's written like this. Let me change it on YouTube too. Hey, sorry. Sometimes happens. I got distracted. Don't know. No, it's not. I don't know. Sorry. Wait a second. I need to move the microphone. It's just that lately, I don't know, a lot of stuff happened and I kinda got lost. I'm sorry for missing for so long, but yeah, you know, it happens. Now let me just start Chrome. Will be seeing all right. Oh yeah, I need to connect it. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. And we are back. So it's called find pairs. I think this time it will be easier than usual. Oh, I just need to download some images to put into the game. Let's do something tools type Give me a second. Um, both flower house. What else can I put? Let's do. Let's do plain. Let me check. Okay. Let's get back here. So. I'll create some div called how can I call it game space could work. Then in every space I'll do div class square. Dynamic. Set of them. So now new file, call it style.css. Here we'll do and I already forgot. So HTML. I don't know why I always do that. I always forget how to what's the not common, what's the line to add the CSS folder, CSS file to the HTML, and of course it's link style sheet, not the style sheet, of course, because I'm dumb. For some reason I thought it was just a tag, there was a tag named style sheet. This no. Game space. We do a width. No. 100%. Give him a display flex. Just a second, I need to sneeze. Sorry, I think I don't know, the allergy medications are not as strong as I thought them to be, maybe. Sorry, I'm so slow today. We created a class. I created a class square, so just a second. I have a doubt. Maybe I should. Oh. I should add some because I will make I need to calculate a points while the game is going on, so I should create an area called let's create a scoreboard. And create player div and PC div, I guess. And we'll just do an H2 wait, the score H2 with the PC player. Let's just do a for good measure. And sorry guys, give me a second. Hey, sorry. I just for a second I felt I don't know, weird. Sometimes I don't know. I feel I don't know how to say it. Overwhelmed, maybe. I just I don't think it was a panic attack, but I think almost. I don't know. It's maybe it's because I haven't streamed in a while. Obviously, I had a typo in Flex. And let me just, I think it was PC was, I just need to put how do you say flex and and okay. Yeah, I just need to position. And how do you align items flex and maybe like this? No, if I give you a width of 100%. No, not working. Oh, justify content space between in the scoreboard I did last time. Nice. So it wasn't necessary. Well, technically it is. So this is player. And player has a engine left, say 20 pixel. Nice. On the other hand, you have a margin right of 20 pixel. Okay. Alright. I don't know if I will stream the entire day today. I think some point I will close because sorry, there's something. We just let me remove this message. That was a test message that I had created. I would like to remove this gray box also from the YouTube chat, but I couldn't find a way. Anyway, sorry, give me another second, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I just I don't know. I once in a while when I'm making this project, I start I don't know. I start feeling overwhelmed. Oh, hi, XXLE3. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. How are you? You like this? Display in maybe this is inline block. No, I used to did this already in another text align. Yeah, I sorry, I didn't stream for a while, so I use the time to do some fixes for the stream, so now you can see yourself on the screen while I'm chatting. If you want, did I put? Let me just check. Did I put a link to the? No, of course. Sorry, it's not. Sorry, just a second. I wanted to put a link in the description of the YouTube of the YouTube stream, so that people also have a link if they want to join me on Twitch, but of course I forgot. Sorry for the interruption. So now I need to also do this for PC. Alright, maybe we just give a little more 30 pixel. Now, then, what do I do? Game space. Game space. Okay. Yeah, the stream went well. I managed to finish the game. The code was a bit janky, but it was functioning, so I think it was good enough for the moment. Now I'm doing another game, the one where you find the pair of cards that are the same, that have the same image. I call it find pairs, but I'm not sure that's the correct name of the game. Anyway, so. Oh, thanks, XXLE. I hope. Can I call you XLE for short? I think I already did before, but yeah, I was yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's kind of the point to do these exercises until I get good enough until I become good enough. So square. Let's see. Square has a width of 20%, I say, and did it in the past. Aspect ratio. Aspect ratio that is 1:1, so it is a square. Let's see, I give you a border, 1 pixel, black, and I see solid. All right. Oh, your friends were shocked. Yeah, this is how can I say? This is not usually very entertaining. In fact, like I can see on OBS how many spectators there are on the entire category, and it's like 800 for all the people that are streaming code. So this is very, very niche. So yeah. Oh, sorry. I think what is that? Let me check. Shapely. It's a bot. Let me just deal with it. Spam. It's a bot. Okay, all done. Sorry, it's on Twitch it happens a little too often that how can I say, there are bots that try to promote scams or you know, stuff like view bots and the problem is since I am the only one for like I don't have mods or other stuff or people that help me, I should use an auto mod, but then the auto mod always ends up blocking or banning people for no reason, because for some reason the people that made the autobot yeah, Transformers, sorry, the auto moderation, they always, I don't know, they put even the lesser stuff as they consider it as like they are slower. And why now game space gives me oh sorry, it's the yeah it happened. I think I lost some people that were watching the stream because they said something that was harmless, and for some reason the bot just decided to ban them. And there is 20 pics. It's okay. Now why it should go, yeah, the maybe I should go with margin. So it doesn't nope. Don't worry, I don't usually there are not many bots on YouTube, so I didn't put auto moderation on the YouTube chat, and so don't worry, you are safe unless you I don't like to ban people, so unless you post something like really serious, I won't do anything against you. Now I have this problem. Why does it go like this? And it's also padding, so why is it sorry, I'm just thinking to myself. I should verbalize it more. So why is this element competing with the right side of the screen, even though I gave it both? I tried padding and margin. Let me try a search to look for a solution. CSS, how to element right side of screen. Element now you're not touching the right side of the screen. No, I don't need to position to the right. I need to, for this element to stay inside the bounds I have set up for him. So why getting out of right side of screen? Why is it doing this? Oh, wait, I think something crashed. Give me a second. Okay, sorry. The Chrome window wasn't responding to my commands. I think, yeah, it went on a 404. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, now ba-da-ba-da-ba-bam. Padding no, margin no. I don't want to go with ChatGPT right now. I want to find the solution of my own, like element exiting right side of screen CSS. Oh, let's try. Let me see. Well, not to chat GPT. Let's say not to chat GPT for the moment, but sooner or later I will surely end up I will surely end up facing something that will make me you know ask for help. So yeah, it's not a fixed no to AI in this channel, just until I don't get just until I don't get stuck. So let's try to give you no. Element touching right bound of screen. Yeah, thanks actually. Yeah, it's more of even when I even when I use ChatGPT, I always tell him to give me suggestions and like pointing me at the solution without like telling me right away or giving me the code, because otherwise I would not learn anything from what I'm doing, and so I wouldn't become proficient in this thing. But yeah, it's kinda it's you need to be careful with AI, not just because often it hallucinates and does stupid stuff, but also because you risk becoming how can I say, you risk becoming dependent on it and not being able to do stuff on your own, you know, and that's kind of scary. I hope to never reach that point. Okay, I'll give you... Yeah, thanks actually. Yeah, I... I try my best. And my best apparently is... I don't even know what's going on, to be honest. Why is it acting like this? Let me just... Okay. Let me try a flex direction. And see if flex direction row, and it's not working. Sorry, just a second, I get some water. All right. Water drank. I drink the water. Now, let's see. Let's see. If instead I do align items, no. I don't understand. I think at this point I'll go with chat GPT. Let me try this because running out of idea. Game space is touching the right side of the stream, the page. And today is not the day. Let me see. Give you an index. It's not a solution. Oh, sorry. This looks a lot more compliant than the one I did back then. Complicated. Yeah, this should be a little this should be like more of a step up to than the old project I did back. I don't even know how much time has passed, but yeah, should be a little bit more complicated. Why is it overflowing? Okay, so instead I should do instead of margin I should do padding. Okay, and this should be one fix. Remember creating a calculator, but that was more easy than this. It was all the same coding except the numbers. Oh, actually, I think the calculator would be a harder project, at least in JavaScript, but not really sure. You know, at least as far as I know, JavaScript and this what I'm doing is more of a visual language. It's more for animation and displaying stuff rather than complex operations. So That's why it's mostly used for the web development. In fact, it also mixes a lot of things that other languages have. So I don't know, maybe calculator is yeah, if you I think it would be easier maybe Python, but I'm not an expert in Python. Maybe yeah, Python might be easier to create a calculator in that language than on JavaScript. Let me ask. Because I did what he asked. Thanks, Exley. You do whatever you are doing right now. Sorry, I didn't ask you much about yourself. If it's okay to ask, I don't. I'm not. I don't want to intrude on your life if you don't want to share. Let me see if no, this doesn't work. Okay, thank you, Exley. So I forgot to I didn't ask you things about yourself, like where are you watching me from, stuff like that. So or like what you do in your life, if you want to share. Okay. Oh, I'm a bit far from your country, more on the tropical side. Oh, so not in Europe, more on the tropics. Okay. Okay, I see. Um, so um, tropics. Can I ask if tropics in the Americas or tropics in Asia? Like you are more in the Southeast Asia area or um or more on the like Caribbean Asia side. Okay, okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm so my mind works with one thought at a time. So now I'm sorry if I'm not interacting with you, but I'm stuck in now finding. Oh, you're near Malaysia. Okay, so in Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, that area, right? Also, okay, actually, nice. Hey, what time? What time is it in your part of the world? Because I wouldn't keep you up at night watching my stream. Like I don't want to to make you feel like you're obligated to watch my stream and not take your hours of sleep. So now, how do I put this element at the center? I do justify content center. Nice, it works. Okay. Now, Xbox. I want this element on 2 rows. Okay, actually. Thank you. So, thank you for following my stream, and I don't know. I know it sounds patronizing, but remember to go to bed on time. Don't lose hours of sleep for me. Sleep is important. Oh, I can do flex direction column and then flex wrap. Okay. No, I came here to chill and support, but you should really focus on coding. Yeah, I know, I know. I will, don't worry. Okay, this doesn't work. Now. Okay, but why does the output, why is the output this if it does display flex direction column? Or because it gives them a fixed height. Okay. Okay. Sorry, give me a second. Where is it? My stomach is doing numbers. I need to use the toilet. I'll be right back. Sorry if it took so long. Uh, I need to eat more fibers. I need to something to I need to add something to the to Chrome so it avoids seeing all the spam. Not spam. The word is not coming to me, but yeah, I don't know. Today, like, it's really not today. I don't know why everything was fine before the stream, and now, like, words are not coming into. Why do I speak this way? Okay. So I think at this point I just need to do it here in the HTML. I will do this fix like this, div plus column like this. Let's see. Two, 4, 6, 8. Now this should display x direction. This is a column. Okay, I put them at 80%. No, let's do 60. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Let me see. Display flex, remove space between. Okay. So the background music is so calm, it's like fighting my sleep. Oh, yeah, I thought about it's lo-fi hip hop. You can, if you like it, you can find a link to the site I downloaded it from in the description of the stream. Yeah, I thought about putting something relaxing in the background while I code, so that it's not too distracting, that it interferes with what I'm doing or when I want to talk with the chat, and at the same time it's calming, and it fills the void when I'm not speaking. And I feel like it doesn't we don't interfere with each other. Like when I speak, I'm not overriding the music too much, and at the same time the music is not overpowering my voice. It's a nice middle ground. Wow. I don't know if maybe I didn't sleep well in the past few nights, but I'm too I too feel kind of sleepy. I don't know why. Maybe maybe I should sleep more. Anyway, what I was doing, yeah, I was trying to find solution. Let's try first this align content flex start. What time do I usually sleep? So I usually I go to sleep around midnight, midnight and a half, and I try to wake up around 7 a.m. But I don't know. It could be the stress or other factors, but my sleep schedule has been kind of erratic lately. Like even if I go to sleep at midnight, I end up staying awake until 2 a.m. in bed. Or if I wake up at 7 a.m. I do something, then I just go sit somewhere like on the sofa and or on the armchair, and then I fall asleep again. Yeah, 7 a.m. I try to, because I have to work around 9 a.m. So at 7 a.m. I wake up just to have some time for myself to do some stuff I like. Just have some briefing room. I don't know how. Yeah, you lack sleep, you should at least get. Well, that 8 hours of sleep is not like a fixed thing. Sometimes people need 6, sometimes people sleep more. But, that's the problem. I don't have a fixed sleep pattern, so I either end up sleeping less or more. There are days in which I go to sleep like at 10 p.m. and I wake up like at 9 a.m. But my sleep schedule is has been a little bit. It's been wobbly in the last few. Maybe months at this time. But it's not that 8 hours of sleep was a thing that was said arbitrarily. You should need. I mean, at least you got a job and still struggling in college. Oh, hey, actually, at least you managed to stay in college. You are talking to someone that failed the university 2 times. So, hey, enjoy your struggling in college. It will pay off later. And for job, we will see. Like, my company is I wasn't smart enough for higher education, but I don't know, I kind of felt pressured into doing it anyway, even and so I tried economy. I stayed like a couple of years, but I was failing exams. Even the exams I was passing, I was not getting perfect grades, so I was around average in the ones I passed. I tried moving to another how do you call it, major, or like another field, and still the same thing. And at some point you know you need to realize is either I will spend years in what are you taking, if you don't mind me asking? First I tried economy, and then I tried Italian literature. You know that because first language, I thought maybe I could get a job like as a journalist or something like that, but no, I wasn't made for that. And you actually, what are you studying? Don't worry, it's in the past. I moved on. Like it was kind of sad because you know, you need to at some point you need to realize that I kind of realized my limits, but like the decision was either stay in university for too much time without getting and finishing it with basically just an average score for my degree, or getting out and doing something with my life. And to be honest, I was pretty depressed in university, and I think if I kept pushing myself to the breaking point, I would have just I don't know, like I would have just broke myself, like I really wanted to be an artist, but I was told so many times I don't earn anything, so I'm debating either a teacher or flight attendant in another country. I don't know, maybe it's pessimistic for me to say, and I don't know exactly, but actually you can always be an artist. Like you don't need a degree to be an artist, so I think it's a good idea if you have a fallback plan, and like you get a degree that gives you, that works for the like it works for in the job market, that it can gives you access to a profession, and then art you can keep doing it on the side, and then if you see that you are successful at art, you can make that, you can switch to that career, and you know, but you always have something to fall back on with a degree. So yeah, if you thinking teacher or flight attendant, yeah, that's to me it seems either of them seems a good idea. I don't know how to say it. You have my approval. Oh, don't worry. The thing is, I made so many mistakes in my life. I have enough wisdom to share for people who do not make my same mistakes. Anchoring is meaning a will for my future. But how about you? What's your like the people and place? Italy. If you want to move here, I wouldn't suggest that. Italy has quite a few problems. Like it's better than most country economically speaking, because it's still like Western country, and we are in Europe, so we have healthcare and stuff. Like in my country, you don't go broke if you have health problems and such and things like that. But the thing is, how can I say it? Italy is like the worst of the best, meaning that if you want to choose a place in Europe, it's I think it's better if you go to places like Germany, the Nordic countries, France, or the United Kingdom. But Italy is professionally, if you want to have a career and such, it's not the best place to go. I stayed because like I'm mediocre at most things I do, so I wouldn't have success moving out. But many of the people of the friends I grew up with, or many of the like a lot of people I know, even my uncles, they all moved out of Italy because there weren't perspective. Yeah, there are many. The thing is that are kind of forced to be here because okay, not to get political, but the way it works in Europe, if you are a refugee or you are trying to migrate to Europe from Africa or the Middle East, is that the first country European country you arrive to or you are stopped at, that's the country you have to ask as asylum in. So because Italy is in the Mediterranean, there are a lot of people that are trying to move to Europe from Africa that end up in Italy and are basically stuck in Italy. and but there are also people from Southeast Asia or other parts places that try to that I've seen here, but the problem is Italian economy is very is not as good as the other Western countries, and the how can I say, the paychecks are smaller than like Germany or France or other parts of Europe. Oh yes, actually, you if you are if you need to apply for as a refugee or like you don't have a legal status, yes, many people end up stuck in Italy, and so that's kind of a problem. And most importantly, Italy, there are not many there is not much work for people who have a higher education degree. Like if you are an engineer or you are a doctor or you work in a STEM field, the wages are lower than the average, and you don't make much of a career, you don't progress in your career, because in Italy the companies are either small companies or very small companies, like are companies with 300 200 people working there. Like there are not many multinational companies in Italy. So if you have a degree where you can work everywhere, many in Italy decide to move out and go somewhere else where they can get better better jobs, better a better, how can I say, a better outlook on life, things like that. So if you are looking for a country to move from Southeast Asia, I wouldn't suggest Italy. I will go more for Germany or like I said, other country. Oh, sorry. Actually, I just when people ask this question, I try to be as more explicative as possible, and as I said, my brain just works with one thing at a time. So I started speaking, and I didn't code anything. So yeah, sorry for the yap session. I just wanted to give you like the overall like outlook of my country. I didn't want to think, oh, Italy, maybe I should move there. No, don't do that. Go somewhere better. Okay. and it's around. No. No. It's alright, I was just concerned you might forget your code email. Up to no, don't ever worry about that. Actually, I appreciate having feedback and feedback and having a discussion with people in the chat. Like my objective with, like, if I have one with my with whatever this is not just to improve my coding skill, but is also to improve my speaking in English, like my English speaking abilities, so I can become better at it. Because if you can hear it, you know, I always you see how every time I do or I leave a lot of space between what I'm saying, and this drag when I speak, it's kind of annoying and trying to lose it. Okay. I need to find a better balance between speaking and coding and thinking, because I always end up doing either of them. Instead, I should be more able to, like, say, oh, what I'm doing is I'm trying to fix the issue of the space between, like, I should narrate what I'm doing to keep people entertained and to thinking out loud. It should help me, like, visualize and understand the things I'm doing. So now well, your English does sound good, especially with your accent. Thank you. Actually, I'm actually trying to contain my accent, because it's kind of thick, like I'm containing a lot. I'm trying to announce and pronounce the English words correctly, but thank you for the compliment. I'll try to actually, I always said kind of I don't know, paranoia, I don't know how to call it, problem with my voice, that I always thought that I always found my voice annoying. Like I couldn't stand to hear it in recordings. Every time like I heard my voice, I will stop the registration, or I will do something to stop it, because I don't know, it was like I don't even know how to describe it. So how to remove space between content. I don't know, it was like a sort of rejection. When I heard my voice, I couldn't, it was like a physical sensation of I couldn't, sorry. Yeah, another things you can see that I don't speak much is my voice. I spoken just for a couple of hours and my voice is already going to shit, so that's whatever it is. So I should do yeah, at this point let's just do 100%, but then I want to let me give you a okay, sorry, got lost myself and stopped talking. I'm trying to give padding to the element, but not working. Yeah, I get that, but you're right, you have a deep and smooth Italian voice. I've noticed you also emphasize some letters like R. Yeah, we in Italy some letters are like pronounced not emphatically, but like you can hear the R on in the word when we speak. Instead, like English, they tend to like avoid it. Like my I'm not going to dox myself, but my personal name, my name has R inside the name, and many English speakers, like, they tend to not pronounce it, so they pronounce my full name like very, very wrong. And yeah, so the fact that we speak with R in our language, it sounds like that also in English. I couldn't lose this part. This part of my heritage. So let's me try to I want see the padding, the space like here, also here, but it's not working. And I can't find a solution to that. Now, let me ask... the name of the game space. How do I fix? Okay, I hope you want to be too harsh with your voice because it sounds really good and regular. Oh, thank you very much, actually. Yeah, it was paranoia. I don't know if I call it paranoia, but it was a mental issue for me for a long time. This the fact that my voice is I had problem with my voice, but in fact in the past years ago I tried also to do VTuber stuff on other channels, then and I abandoned it because reasons. But when I used to do it, I used to use a filter so that my voice would sound different, and yeah, because I couldn't hear I physically couldn't hear the recordings, so I tried to use filters and other stuff. But I don't know, recently it started to become more, how can I say, more acceptable. Like I don't mind it as much when I hear the recording. In fact, I can edit some clips and I can do stuff that previously I couldn't do, yeah, edit clips, rewatch my streams to see what went wrong and how to fix it, things like that. Okay, we try. Change the message. Okay, maybe let's try to remove some width. I want the square to have all the width, but maybe the column doesn't need it. The column needs it. So maybe game space doesn't need all the width. In fact, it doesn't. All right. now. We give something more like a 40 pixel. And scoreboard, we'll say margin bottom. I'll give you 60 pixel of margin bottom. Nice. Okay, so this part is done. Now, sorry, I need to leave you for a second. I need to get some water, and I need to also do a couple of other stuff, and I'll be right back. I'll actually, and whoever is watching on Twitch, I guess. I think no one. Okay. Oh well. Anyway, give me just a second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, now it's time to set up the JavaScript. Code.js. Alright. Now I need to add code.js to the project and I forgot how to do it, so to HTML. I will never remember how to do it on my own. I need I have a doubt. I think I'm looking for the wrong thing. Let me just how did I do in rock, paper, scissors? Oh, script code.js, okay. Script src and then it's code.js. I think I can just do this like this without needing another thing to close it, right? No, it was like this. Alright. Alright. Let's move on. So let us where let square array equals and get what was it JavaScript. Oh, thank you, Axley. I forgot. Thank you for telling me. Select element by class. I always forget. And it wasn't class name, it was query selector. Okay, query selector. So query selector, and then we get all the class square. Then I do a console log. Oh, sorry, just give me a second. Sorry, just checking my messages because there might be something important. Right. All right. Oh, well, actually, when I stream alone, it tends to become a problem. So I appreciate the fact that you called it, and let me see, console. Is not working, so why is it not working? Yeah, if when I stream alone, I think one time I ended up keeping the be right back. The be right back was on for like I don't know, maybe a couple of hours, because I didn't realize I didn't switch it off when I came back to the stream. So yeah, sorry, just a second. Just let me drink some water. So okay. Problem is it should give me all the square. Instead now I'm getting just one. But I just find it like a funny moment. I kept seeing it on the screen. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not something that, you know, it ruins the stream, but you know, it should be once in a while thing, not it shouldn't happen too often. So but it starts to get just query selector all. If I put query selector all, it should give me all the squares, right? Yes, nice. Now I have all the squares. Now how do I now I should add the image to the squares. Okay, maybe not the let me see. Find pairs JavaScript tutorial. Matching pairs game tutorial JavaScript, maybe. Okay. Okay, so let me try this. So I'll try first inserting the images inside each element. Actually, I need to be heading out now. I'm currently sick and need to catch that sleep, but definitely update me what happens in the next stream. No more actually. I don't know how long I will still keep the project today, but I will for sure come back tomorrow to keep going on the stream. And so if you come back tomorrow, I'll still be there doing something, and otherwise I'll find a way to keep you posted. Don't worry. Oh, maybe I don't know if I put the link to the. Oh no, I didn't. I created a Discord server. Oh, thank you, actually. I'll add it to. Thank you very much for being here, actually. I'll see you next time. And good luck with your. I hope you get better soon. Okay. What is the invite? Oh, sorry. Give me a second. Sorry, I don't know if someone is still watching, but I guess today I will not stream for long. Apparently, I don't know. You know how I always say that, you know, like lately, every time there's something that comes up, it's like I don't have a minute of peace, and I'm glad I could stream this long, but at a certain time I think I will stop. Let me just do another few fixes, but then I will continue this project tomorrow. Forgot even to call it this one, so download.jpg. Then there is flower.jpg. And then there is plain PNG. Let me try. Oh, there's an S here that doesn't need it. how to fit an image inside element CSS. Img max height 100%. Okay. Object fit contain oh, sorry, give me a second. All right, false alarm. So sorry. I'm panicking a bit. It's not about the project, it's just I don't know. I'll try to be entertaining, but no. So and do overflow. Hidden. All right. That was it. Now, I don't know, sorry, it's something happened and now I have the dread of that thing on me. Like I should do it right now, stop streaming, but no. You know what, I'm sorry, just don't know if I will be entertaining for today, but I try to do my best, and I hope that everyone sorry, just a second, that the alarm has started. Give me a second, just one. Sorry, I was still talking without sound. Sorry guys, I need to stop here for today. I need to take care of something, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for everything, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.